Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be doing another freaking review about my new bike, bro. Okay, let's start off, bro. Today, I got the 4-piece Foo Bars by S&M. Oh, gas boogie too bad. And today, I also have a fit frame. You know, gas pipe, fans. Okay, yeah. So I got those parts. And then my front rim is framed impact rim for my old bike. My forks are Colt forks. They are very cool and very nice. My stem is an animal stem, as you can see. And then my grips are ODI long neck grips. I don't know why they're long neck. They're not very long, as you can see. Let me just focus right here. Wait, what? Okay. What? Where did it say long neck? Oh, right there. If it focuses, oh, it does not say, but they say long neck. Okay, so the pedals that I have, I don't know what kind they are, but they're plastic, and they hurt like a bucket trucker. Okay, cranks, I don't know what kind of cranks I have. They're kind of random, if you ask me. Same with the bottom bracket, but my sprocket is a Haro sprocket. It's pretty nice. It's really cold outside. I don't know what kind of headset I have. It's an impact, framed impact, if you know what I mean. My back rim is an Alienation plain black rim. Racist, if you know what I mean. And my tires are very cheap, thin tires. I do not like them. And my seat is a framed impact seat. That is my bike check. It's pretty dialed, as you can see. Pretty dialed.